politic actions are inherent in process of blockchain agreement. Blockchain can be seen as a technology implementation of politics. Let me tell you about politics combined with technology. Whenever there is a major change in blockchain project, it is always a topic of discussion who has authority to make decisions on these important issues. Like MakerDAO, the decision structure is different depending on whether token holders are the subjects of decision making or node operators decide. As I said before, many choices in fee price, block size, operations, and whether or not code is updated, all of this must be decided through decision making. Of course, we don't simply decide whether to fix the bug that was found, because it's something that everyone naturally agree with. But for example, when it comes to deciding on change the commission policy, the understanding of stakeholders can be different from each other. Some people will oppose and others will approve. That's why community has to make political decisions together through governance. When making these political decisions, projects that make the right decisions with a long-term vision will grow in a long run. And if the developers of this project receive the needs of the community and can implement the visions of the future well, such projects can grow significantly in the long run. To do this, communities must make political decisions together in a democratic way, where everyone in the ecosystem can agree on the process and the outcomes. There are two consensus in blockchain. One is a mechanical and physical consensus for data authentic agreement. This consensus algorithm works automatically, and usually project leaders make codes to create a foundation so that they can work as a protocol. Then the governance body is a social political consensus that determines on visions, policies, and etc. These two consensus works together in blockchain. In blockchain networks, consensus can work either explicitly or implicitly. Working implicitly involves tacit behavior. For example, tacit behavior is when a large number of individuals tacitly agree to a project leader's request to do so by silently following it without objecting, if in this case, decisions are taking place. As I said, Tezos first raised the issues of the need for governance organization in 2014. And third generation blockchains, or most projects aimed at DAO, are creating governance bodies. You can see that these projects that create and operate governance organizations are projects that consider the project itself really seriously. Formally creating a governance body and having multiple individuals participate in it inevitably reduce the power of direct decision making of the leader group. And that may reduce the benefit of the leader group that they can take within the ecosystem, because decision may not be centered on their interest. However, in order to create a larger ecosystem and realize the decentralized spirit of the blockchain, those authorities and privileges are broadly put down, and it reduces the project leader group's authority and interest for bigger picture and for the benefit of the majority who participated in the ecosystem. I think such projects can grow farther in the long run. We will cheer for those projects and we'll try to be one of those projects. So we have talked about various characteristics of the blockchain technology and how governance is an important factor in decision making in the blockchain. I will be back with more topics related to blockchain governance. And see you soon, and happy Protocon everyone. This was Jake Lee.
프로토콘이 궁금하다면 좋아요, 구독, 알림 설정까지.